complex thicket or network, and we don't understand as individuals how all of these things relate to one another. We would like computers to be able to help. The trouble is we're not making as much progress in artificial intelligence, I think, as the world seems to think. So you read headlines today, and they're all about deep learning. Scientists see promise in deep learning programs. Deep learning will soon give us super smart robots. Well, that's what most people think. I'm actually not so sure. Intelligence, it's important to remember, is not homogenous. There are lots of things that go into intelligence. There's perception, there's common sense, there's planning, analogy, language, reasoning. These are all part of what we would call intelligence, and many more things. If you know Howard Gardner's notion of multiple intelligences, I think it's fundamentally right. There are lots of things that go into intelligence. We've made enormous progress in AI, but really just in one piece of that, which is in perception. And even in perception, we haven't got it all figured out just yet. So here's some
Homogeneous. Homogeneous. Homogeneous.